Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili crisp. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of dried chilies, fresh aromatics like garlic and shallots, and a neutral oil. Don't forget your spices, such as Sichuan peppercorns and star anise, which add incredible depth. Having a heat-proof bowl and a fine mesh sieve ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll infuse our oil. Gently heat about 1 cup of neutral oil with sliced garlic, shallots, and whole spices like star anise. Keep the heat low to medium, allowing the flavors to slowly meld without burning. Once the aromatics are golden and fragrant, carefully strain them out, leaving behind a beautifully flavored oil ready for the next step. Now, let's prepare the chili flakes. In a heat-proof bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of good quality dried chili flakes with a pinch of salt and a touch of sugar. This combination helps to balance the heat and enhance the overall flavor profile. Ensure your bowl is sturdy and can withstand the heat of the oil we are about to pour. Finally, the exciting part. Carefully pour the hot, infused oil directly over your prepared chili flake mixture. You will hear a satisfying sizzle as the oil cooks the flakes, releasing their vibrant color and aroma. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure even crispness. Let it cool completely before transferring to an airtight jar for long-lasting, delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.